The Meghalaya government has announced it will not conduct a high-level investigation into the discovery of the decomposed body of Awami League leader Ishaq Ali Khan. The Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong stated that the Bangladeshi High Commission and the Ministry of External Affairs have been informed and the body has been identified. The cause of death will be determined after a forensic test. The body was found on August 26th. 1.5 kilometers inside the India-Bangladesh border in East Jaintia Hills district.
Right now, we still, we are really confused because the information we received from the BSF, they said that in fact, there was no question of attempting entering India. That is number one. And then ultimately, I think because from the BTR side, from the Bangladesh side, they claim that the leader of what they call Awami League, he was trying to escape to India, and then he was on the way. But BSF, they verified it and they said it was not like that. But ultimately, after 2 or 3 days, yes, his dead body was found inside, I think 1.2, 1.3 kilometers inside the Indian territory.